Hey everybody, so this is part 2 in repairing that bridle, or those reins that we had break on us right down at the bridle actually earlier. As you remember, it was this little piece here that came off, and that's the part that attaches right to the mouthpiece for the bridle. And as you can see, this one is still attached here. So what I have just done is I've just taken a pair of scissors, because I still have the hardware. I've still got this piece right here, which is kind of important. And then what I'm going to do here is I'm going to drill a hole here, but I've already kind of cut this just roughly here, and then I'm going to drill a hole, and you're going to loop it like this, and then you're going to drill that hole straight through here. So you want it to be looped so that the hole goes straight through there, so that it will fit on here like this, like so. So this will go through both holes.